Meaning of habitué.
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 Habitué. Habitué is a French term that means a regular visitor or frequent customer. It refers to a person who is a regular patron of a particular place or event, such as a cafe, restaurant, or theater. Habitués often have a deep familiarity with the place they frequent and may even be recognized by the staff and other patrons. They may enjoy a sense of belonging and comfort in their familiar surroundings and may even develop close relationships with other regulars. Overall, habitués are an integral part of certain social and cultural scenes.